Thank you for tuning in to your Tuesday evening weathercast. Today, temperatures have been kept only in those 60s, so about a good 10 degrees cooler than what we saw just yesterday and normally what we see around this time of the year. 64 degrees in Atlanta, 64 in Mayo, 67 in Alpena. If you want to find those 70s, though, it's going to be very slim, though, only at 70 degrees in Oscoda and Tawas. It's also been a breezy one, so it's making it feel a couple degrees cooler than what it's saying in that thermometer. Those winds mostly coming out of the west between 10 to 20 miles per hour at 14 in Mayo, a little bit lighter in Alpena and Rogers City at 9, but mostly coming out of the west. We will eventually begin to see signs of a warm-up as we push towards our Wednesday. But once again, like we've seen the last couple of days, we're continuing to be in this unsettled pattern where afternoon showers tend to be the name of the game. So make sure to have that umbrella with you at least for the next couple of hours. And then after that, you can finally say goodbye to them, at least temporarily, for your Wednesday. But here come those showers coming in from the west towards the east. We could have a small chance of an occasional thunderstorm, but overall, just mostly going to be dealing with a couple of these light, pesky rain showers. Now pushing towards the evening for tonight as that rain and those clouds begin to push further towards the east associated with that low pressure that's in parts of southeastern Canada. As that exits, high pressure begins to take over. Here is high pressure as we go into tomorrow morning, already pushing through parts of Minnesota. So the sun will be abundant all around tomorrow. Make sure to have that sunscreen with you. But it's going to be a quick moving high because unfortunately we are going to reintroduce once again chances of rain. And this time, because of the warm-up, there is that chance for some thunderstorms for Thursday. So keep that in mind as we now push towards the second half of the work week. Temperatures are going to be relatively mild, though, as we begin to push towards the end of the week and even going into the first part of the weekend. But a cool down will eventually take place sometime during the weekend. So if you are looking for that warmer weather, may want to enjoy it Wednesday, Thursday, and even going into Friday. Here's the hour by hour for the remainder of your Tuesday night. We're going to be dealing with some scattered showers early on. Clouds will begin to decrease as temperatures begin to bottom out in those low 50s, but some areas could dip into those upper 40s, so it will be a cool one out there. Tomorrow, it's all about that sunny galore. Great hump day for the sunrise side, living up to its name. By the time we go into the evening, however, especially after midnight, we begin to introduce the rain. That's going to continue into Thursday. Now, here's that summer countdown. Tomorrow is actually the first day of summer, astronomically speaking, when the sun is over the Tropic of Cancer. You will have summer officially here in about 6 hours at 12:24 a.m. And here are the next 7 days. Thunderstorms on Thursday at a 60% chance. Friday, we continue to be warm into those upper 70s with partly cloudy skies. And then going into the weekend, you can see a good 10-degree dip between Friday and Sunday, only in those upper 60s. And that's going to continue into Monday with a very isolated chance of a rain shower.